We are back to working on the rebuild Miata. We have the parts already painted, such as the hood, the right fender, as well as the bumper. We'll start assembling some parts back onto the car so we can start getting it fully fixed up and ready to go for the road. Also, we'll maybe try to fix out this area, which is to bring it back into place so we can mount the brake booster pump on it. I have finished up with installing the brake booster, and we also finished up readjusting the frame. As you saw, we had to straighten out this piece, this part, straighten out the main section, and then also had to widen it so that it is more properly at where it's supposed to be. And now it's looking really great, and the fitment is perfect on the booster pump. A lot of time spent playing around and trying to adjust the body panels into place to have the exact amount or the better fitment and proper amount of spacing between the body panels. So I've been working on the car, and I have finished up actually reassembling the new bumper, but I realized that I didn't move the camera to set up for the different time lapse, and the time lapse was not even visible here. So I don't know if you saw that or not, but let's take a look at what has happened and how we reassembled it. Here we are, and as you can see, I have it on such a stand so we can work on it. I had it flipped the other way around, but we put in the headlights, or the fog lights, daytime running lights actually in this case. This is the brand new one, looks very wonderful and clean here. This is the old one, but still in good condition. It needs to be just cleaned up. The grille went in as well, tons of plugs on here, but that just needs to be a nice little clean, and it'll look good. Take a look from above. Grille looks good. These need to be though readjusted or reattached fully with some clips, nice big wide clips here, and the top piece as well, so we can finish up in mounting it to the operator support. As you've seen, the bumper is ready to go on. Right now we're going to fit the lights on and see if everything is correctly aligned in the front. We can move and readjust it still to this point, and then we're going to tighten down the operator control, operator support, and have it fully pretty much complete at the front. To hold down the operator support to the rest of the assembly, we decided to put it on some car glue and put 4 rivets to hold it down. Fenders, the hood, the operator support, as well as the headlights have been adjusted into place, and they're looking pretty good so far. We still need a couple more parts we need to take from the parts car and bring over to here. So the bumper is fully patched up. We put in the rivets. These are like the same ones like they come from Mazda from factory. As you can see, they're 3-prong. They hold on to the lower lip very well, and the whole mounts on the top of the bumper as well, nice and clean. We have also finished up aligning the fenders, hood, and putting them into place where we want them to be. After putting in the fender liner, I had to transfer over the old wire and harness from crashed headlight onto the used headlight that we picked up, since it didn't come with it. So that's about it for this video. It took a while, over I think a whole week, 7 days, 7 days of working to put the front back together. It was a little bit of a couple hours at a time, and today about another like 6 hours. The front's coming along very well. The lines seem pretty good to me at least, and everything's just aligning back into its place. There's still a couple parts missing. This side is good. This side is missing a couple of parts, which need to be put into place. But overall, it's looking very nice. Hope you enjoyed that. It was enjoyment to work on. Yeah, it sort of was. But it's coming along together. It's the first Miata that we picked up, and it's about done, about fully complete. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next episode.